Hello, my name is Nick Houtsager, and I'll be performing a goodness of fit. A government employee of the Bureau of Transportation Statistics was researching to see if the distribution of U.S. transportation types for commuting to work. In 1993, 76.6% drove themselves to work, 11.4% carpooled, 4.6% used public transportation, and 4.3% used other methods to get to work. The employee randomly selected 1,000 employed Americans and obtained the frequency distribution below. Does the evidence suggest that the distribution of commuting methods in the United States is different today from the distribution in 1993 at a 0.5 level of significance? So, for the first step, we will start with stating the hypotheses. HO will state that there is no difference in how people commute to work from 1993 to 2012. RH0 will state that there is a difference in how people commute to work from 1993 to 2012. Like so. The second step is to find the expected values. To do so, we will take the number of employees, which is 1,000, and multiply it by their percentages. So for driver, we would take 1,000 and multiply it by 76.3. The answer is 763. So out of the 1,000 people, 763 of them use driving alone as their way of transportation. Now I will do the rest for the rest of the problems. Now, as you can see, we found all 5 of the expected values for each of the methods of transportation. Now, we enter the expected values into the graph as below. The gray values are the values that were given to us in the problem, and the green values were the ones that we found on the previous page, using the expected value formula. Now for step 4, we will need our calculators. To find the p-value, go to your stat list editor, type in F6, hit the number 7 key, and then enter in list 1 and list 2 and the degrees of freedom, which is 4. Hit enter, and the chi-squared and the p-value should be given. The chi-squared value should be equal to 9.455. And the p-value should be equal to 0.051. For step 5, we will need to graph all our findings. So far, we know that the p-value is 0.051 and the chi-squared is 9.445. So, now we will put it on the graph. And 9.445 for the chi-square. For step 6, we'll have to make our claim. So, due to the fact that there is a p-value of 0.051, we will not reject. So, do not reject this one. And then make our claim. And our claim should be something along the lines of, there is evidence to claim a difference in the different commuting styles from 1993 to 2012. So, there is no evidence to claim a difference in the different commuting styles from 1993 to 2012. The way we know this is due to the p-value, which is 0.051, is actually greater than the level of significance, which is 0.05. So, there you go. Yeah, there's a claim. Cool. Thanks for watching.